So hello everyone. Today we are going with a new topic that is electrocardiogram, which is ECG. So first of all, I'll be telling you the definition what actually the electrocardiogram is. So it is basically the graphical representation of electrical activities of heart. In our heart, there are different type of electrical activities. So those activities, electrical activities, which are shown in the form of graph. So that is known as electrocardiogram. As you can see, I've written here, it is a graphical representation of electrical activity of our heart. Okay, and more things. Now, what is another term which is mostly occur? What is basically the electrocardiograph? So it is the machine. Electrocardiograph is a machine which help to generate the graphical representation. So ये एक मशीन है जिसके अंदर क्या होती है ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन जनरेट होती है एंड इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम क्या है एक ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की क्या है रिप्रेजेंट करता है इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटीज हार्ट की वो ये कार्डियोग्राम कहाँ हमें शो होता है electrocardiograph की फॉर्म में graphical representation. Okay, so first of all, as I told you, first here we have what as in the previous video I have discussed, so let me repeat it again. As here I have one muscle cell, okay, and here I have entered the Na, sodium. So this means the entry of sodium ion into any muscle cell, that is process is known as depolarization. Depolarization. Fine. And so this is basically what this is. Now if I'm going to contract, I'm going to do this muscle systolic or contraction. So this muscle will be like this. This is what this is systole or contraction. Fine. And another thing, if we have what? If I have, yes, here we go. If I have what? This contracted muscle. This contracted muscle. So this contracting muscle, when I remove the calcium ions from this muscle, so this muscle will be what? Repolarization will occur. Repolarization will occur. Repolarization will occur. That means this muscle cell will come in its own position. Systole means relaxation. Systole. Relaxation. Fine. Okay. So for suppose if here I have what yes. Yep. Okay. For suppose if I have one human. If I'm going to draw this one human. Okay. This is what I have drawn one human. So now here I'm going to tell you, as you can see in the cardio ECG, we place what? We place basically the, we can say, we place the electrocardiogram machine on the left foot. This is the left ankle. One on the right hand ankle, one on the left hand ankle, and here we have heart and 6 around this heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 around the heart. So now these all we do connect these all with what? With the, we do connect these all this. Okay, we do connect this all with one, we can say, machine, which is electrocardiogram. Electrocardiograph, sorry. When we do connect with the electrocardiograph. Okay, now if here I do tell you about what? About the waves. So let's see how the waves are formed. Okay, here I have what? One wave. First of all, we have this, then okay, this is what I have drawn, one wave. Now if I can to give the names, so first of all, here with the info I can give the names. We have what? P wave. P wave. Okay, so P wave, in the P wave we have what? Arterial depolarization. Arterial depolarization. Now depolarization means systole, contraction. as I told you, given the concept of depolarization here. So this means systole contraction, depolarization. So here will systole will occur, means here P wave will represent the arterial depolarization. So this is a P wave in which arterial depolarization occur, arterial systole. Okay. After that, here we have what? Here we have arterial repolarization. Arterial repolarization means removal of calcium ions or sorry, potassium ions. P. Okay, so this is what this wave arterial repolarization wave we do not show. We do not show just because here we have one big wave that is QRS. This is the one big wave of QRS. So when this QRS wave occurs, so arterial repolarization just वो दब जाती है छिप जाती है. Okay, so this QRS complete is ventricular depolarization. QRS wave is ventricle depolarization. So remember one thing, when we have ventricle depolarization, this means when ventricles are contracted, so on that time the artery are relaxed. So on that time when QRS wave is formed, so arterial repolarization is done. So that's why there's no any wave, particular name of the wave. We do not show the arterial repolarization. Okay, so this is how we have a QRS. Okay, finally in the end we have what? T wave. T wave represent what? T wave represent the ventricle repolarization. Ventricle repolarization. Fine. So after that it is clear to you guys. Now here we're gonna discuss about where is arterial repolarization. अभी arterial repolarization क्यों नहीं होती? Why? So yeah. So if I do here like the where is arterial repolarization? Let me tell you again. Fine. So if I'm to make the heart, I have drawn the basic heart. So as you can see at the upper side of heart, we know that is here we have SA node, uh, which is SA node, and here we have AV node. Okay. So here what here, as I told you that here the signals delay for 0.1 second. 0.1 second signals are delayed. So when this ventricle is contracted, when ventricle contract, on that time this artery is relaxed. So this means on that time the arterial repolarization occur. So this means at the same time when ventricular contracted artery are relaxed. So we do not show the wave of arteria because as ventricular wave is big, so the arteria wave is not represented. Fine. I hope that it is clear to you guys. So in the next video we're gonna discuss about the analysis of ECG and with the help of segments and intervals. Till that, bye bye.